Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a website on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your hosting. And to add a new website on Hostinger, it's simple. Just click on this add website button and select which platform you want to use to add or create your website. You can use Hostinger Host Horizons, which help you build web apps. You can also select WordPress, which is a useful content management system for creating blogs or websites. You can also use Hostinger Website Builder. This is a free website builder that I highly recommend if you own a Hostinger account, or you can create a custom PHP or HTML website. You can create a custom PHP HTML website, then install WordPress later. So for this video, I will go with create a PHP HTML website. Here, fill in the domain name or the subdomain that you would like to use. In my case, I will create, for example, a blog for benstutorial.com. Here, I've used a subdomain and not a domain. It's the same thing it's the same thing. So if you go with a domain, nothing changes. Domain connected to site. So I've already or instead I will go with site.benstutorial, domain connected to site. Let's go with support.benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. If you don't own a domain name yet, you can use you can go with use temporary domain. Hostinger will give you a long free domain that you can use temporarily, or you can use as long as you don't have a domain, a .com, for example, domain yet. Now click on next. Here, Hostinger didn't ask me to point my domain or subdomain to using Hostinger's name servers because my domain is already pointing to Hostinger. Now, as you see, they are now installing SSL for me. If I try to access my website online or to visit my website online, I will see this landing page. To delete this and install or create or upload my own website, it's simple. Just go to Files, click on File Manager, click on Access Files of your website domain or address. Double click this public HTML folder and with the right click on this default.php file using the right button of your mouse like that and select delete. Click again on delete, and now if I try to refresh or visit my website again, nothing will show up. Now I can upload my HTML or PHP website files here using this upload button, or I can go back to the Hostinger website dashboard, click on website and select auto installer. And here I can create a WordPress website, a WooCommerce website, Joomla, and other CMS. Let's try to create a WordPress website. Click on select. Give your website a title, for example, Ben's tutorial blog. Fill in your administrator email, username, and password. Here, make sure to not forget or to remember this username and password because you will use them or you will need them later to access your WordPress dashboard. Click on next. Let's close this. Select here I recommend you to always use the latest WordPress version. Select your site language. You can select from many languages and click on install and wait a moment. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And just like that, my WordPress is successfully installed on my website. Let's give it a website again, or instead of this, let's refresh the same page. And this is my newly created WordPress website. And this is how to add a website on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.